Hey, how y'all doing? Here's another video showing these pocket knives I've finished. This next one I'm going to show you is a Wharncliffe swayback. And I did it with black canvas micarta for the handle scales. I can tell you what, that black was a pain to get a decent finish on, because I guess it shows everything, or where it's black or something. Of course, I haven't used black canvas before, so apparently there's a little bit of a learning curve on, well, Lord, look at all them smudges, on the process of getting it finished compared to the natural canvas or even the burlap. But I ended up finally getting me a decent finish on it. I just had to get a little extra effort into it, and that's okay, I reckon. Anyways, this one here is same dimensions as that trapper in the previous video. It's 3 3/4 inches long closed, and when it's open, it's 6 5/8 inches long. Get my smudges off of it there. And on this one, I got the nail nick nice and crisp on each end. I've done a 400 grit hand sanded finish, and I got a long swedge on this one. And on this one, I got my number half hid. This is my 53rd one. Might be able to see it better and open. Well, if I can get it out of the shadow. Well, I'll be. You can kind of see a little bit right there. I got the ricasso pretty short on this one. So that's why the marks on it's a little scrunched, I guess you might say. But anyways, that's a nice snappy walk and talk. A nice smooth medium pull. Get my smudges off here again. And like the other one, this one has nickel silver pins, stainless bushing with a brass hinge pin, has stainless liners, and overall this one, excuse me there, with the exception of having to give a little extra effort on the finishing of these black micarta here, this one turned out pretty good. Overall, I'm reasonably pleased with this one. And again, this one will be another great little everyday carry. It's just a basic shadow pattern without a shield. And this has been a look at Wharncliffe swayback. If you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content, consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you later.